Okay, so I couldn't do this within 15 minutes. I'm trying to do this as simple as possible for you and as fast as possible so you will be able to be productive and not waste your time understanding how this works. So I really wanted to do this in 15 minutes, but unfortunately it didn't work out. Also, the tools that I'm using only gives us 15 minutes. If this is useful for people and I get thumbs ups and all that, and people are interested, maybe I'll make more videos. I'll buy the commercial version, where I could make videos which was longer than 15 minutes, and then you don't want to go overboard more than an hour, but that's another story. Okay, so there's like 3-4 important things I want to show you here. First of all, I'll try to do this in about 3-4 minutes to show you this. When you go to project and you go to libs, whatever, you'll see that Paysafe is using this library, which is an old library of JSON from Google. And the way that I imported it is that I just click on, I downloaded their version of the software, the API, their example. I right clicked on this and I clicked on show in Explorer. Okay. Might be boring for some people who know how this works, but maybe someone is going to see this video, you wouldn't know how this works and you don't want to lose his time. So you get that, you open your project and you do the same thing. If you want to do everything from scratch, that's what I did. And also I did the same thing for let me see, this is an Android project. Which Android? For the API. So I took all the classes from Paysafe and I put it in my in Paysafe here. So the same thing. I went to the code, Java, right click, directory show in Explorer, and then I got the classes. I copy them, and for sure, you have to make sure that once you pass it in your program, you have to make sure that the namespace, the packages work with the directory infrastructure. Otherwise, it's going to crash. That's a Java constraint. And then another thing which is important is the module app. So here you see this, the Gradle module for the app. So here you see all the dependencies. So here by default the directory is included. So whatever you put there is going to work automatically. Otherwise, I think you can just right click and okay. Anyways, so it's automatically imported here. Also, you see this here is a library made by Apache in order to communicate with the server. So you need to communicate from your phone to your merchant server that you're gonna develop your cloud app. So I use this for that. Google Play Services. Here you have the version that I use, and I guess that's it for this. And then another thing is the manifold. So this is very important because again, you're gonna get errors, and it wouldn't tell you what are the errors and why you get those errors, because when you open the City credit card, it's another intent, it's another application. It's not fit. It does not. It's not your application, so you're gonna get errors, and you wouldn't know what's the problem. So first of all, you have to make sure that the permissions are properly done, and that main activity. Here you did the enable. I think I did this in another video, but it just cut off. I just want to take the time to do it properly now to show it to you. And you enable the API payment, and I think you're all set. I mean, you look at the code. If you have any questions, just put comments and ask, and someone can answer. I can answer. Hope this is helpful, and if you liked it, put a thumb up. If other people like, make more videos. Thank you.